Once, in a small, peaceful village surrounded by green hills and rivers, lived a boy named Leo. Leo was 12 years old and loved to ask questions. "Why is the sky blue?" he would ask his mother. "Why do birds fly so high?" he would ask his father. Leo's favorite activity was sitting under the big oak tree near his house and looking at the stars at night. He dreamed of exploring the world beyond his village. He wanted to visit faraway mountains, deep oceans, and magical forests. His friends often laughed at him. "Why do you dream of things that are so far away?" they would say. But Leo didn't mind. He believed that if he worked hard, he could make his dreams come true. One sunny morning, while walking near the river, Leo found something unusual. It was an old, dusty box hidden under some rocks. Curious, he opened the box. Inside, he found a map. The map showed a journey through forests, rivers, mountains, and a big castle at the end. Above the castle were the words, "The Treasure of Courage." Leo's heart raced. "This is my chance to explore," he thought. He decided to follow the map and see where it would lead. Leo told his parents about the map. His mother was worried. "Leo, the world outside our village is dangerous," she said. His father smiled and said, "If this is what you really want, you must be brave. But remember to stay kind and never give up." Leo packed his bag with some food, water, a small knife, a notebook, and a pencil. His best friend, a dog named Buddy, wagged his tail excitedly. Buddy would join Leo on his journey. The first place on the map was a dark forest. The trees were tall, and the sunlight barely reached the ground. Leo felt a little scared, but Buddy stayed close to him. While walking, they heard a strange noise. "Who's there?" Leo asked nervously. From behind a bush, a rabbit jumped out. But this was no ordinary rabbit. It spoke. "Hello, traveler. Are you looking for the treasure of courage?" Leo was shocked. "Yes. Do you know where it is?" The rabbit nodded. "To find the treasure, you must pass 3 tests. The first test is here in the forest. Follow me." The rabbit led Leo to a small clearing. There, an old fox lay on the ground. The fox looked weak and hungry. The rabbit said, "This is your first test. What will you do?" Leo thought for a moment. He took some bread from his bag and gave it to the fox. The fox ate it happily and said, "Thank you, kind boy. Your kindness will help you on your journey." The rabbit smiled. "You have passed the first test. Now, go to the river for the second test." Leo and Buddy walked until they reached a wide river. The water was deep and flowing fast. There was no bridge to cross. While Leo was thinking, a turtle swam up to him. "I can help you cross," said the turtle, "but you must trust me." Leo hesitated, but decided to trust the turtle. He climbed onto its back, and Buddy followed. The turtle swam carefully across the river. When they reached the other side, the turtle said, "This was your second test, the test of trust. You trusted me, and I helped you. Now, go to the mountain for your final test." The mountain was tall and covered in snow. Leo and Buddy started climbing, but it was very cold and slippery. Halfway up, they met a goat. The goat said, "Many have tried to climb this mountain, but failed. To reach the top, you must believe in yourself.